Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of building a home for my dog. Hi Dad. I'm building a house for my dog in a video game. So yeah, I'm going to actually just like make a big patio, but with a small house because I don't have that much time. So you're going to see what I'm going to do. Yeah, just finishing my video real quick. My dad just came and told me that my brother wants to join Discord, but I can't right now. So yeah. Okay, so the patio is going to be a little big, but why not have a big patio? It's a small house. I mean, it's for a dog. The house got to be small, but they have to have a big playroom, you know? They have to have a lot of play area, but they don't need that much, like, houses. You just need water, food, and a bed inside their house, and some toys inside their house. But yeah, they're going to be, but they mostly like to play outside if you don't have a dog. So yeah, for the people who are getting a dog in the future and don't have one right now, how or want a dog, or just doesn't know how to take care of a dog, you basically need food, water, toys, treats, nice open area for it to play, a bed for it to sleep in, and you have to play with your dog every every day for like at least 20 minutes, because your dog needs to feel like having attention. You need to pet him whenever they jump up onto your lap. You have to potty train them. You have to teach them tricks. And then there's also, you also would have to like make sure also, if you want, you can add a dog room and stuff, like an entire room just for your dog. But yeah. Okay, I'm on level 3 and all I did was this. So yeah. Look, see how my level is slowly going up. I don't know, I think it is. So in the game you can actually make a nickname. I'm Hazel underscore girl. That's my nickname. And my brother's nickname is Just Tex. So yeah. And now I'm just going to be building. And boom. Right there. There we go. And now let's add some stuff. So, house kit. So the dog actually needs to bathe, but there's also a small bed. Wait, is it big enough for a dog to jump on top of? It's not a dog bed, but we're gonna treat the dog like it's like royalty. Number 1 rule, treat your dogs well. I want to treat my dog like a royalty. What in the world is going on? You know, I'm just gonna place it on this side. There we go. And I'm giving my dog a human bed. But behind the bed, so I'm gonna get rid of this wall. And you're gonna see what I'm gonna do with it. It's gonna be nice. Because, like I said, I treat my dogs like royalty in this household. So now let's do this. Okay, let's find a something like this. A tall window that reaches all the way to the roof, which I'm capable of, because why not? It makes the house look great. Look at that, a nice area for the dog there. So now, of course, the dog needs some food. But real quick, it also needs a bathtub. Dogs need to bathe. But we're gonna make this right there. Oh no, forgot about that. Yeah. I forgot when you're turning it, you have to be careful because sometimes it won't work. Like that. I have no idea why it's not working. But yeah. I just want it to be turned a bit. Of course. I'm gonna put a bath for the dog. Right here. It's fine because it's for a dog. Ah! Okay, oh, that's better. So yeah, yeah. The dog needs baths. Now the dog needs some food. So, yeah. We're gonna have this kitchen counter right here. And there's, you can come over here and there will be dog food stored. Now yeah, that's my dog's house. And over here for the patio, I actually want to put a luxury couch on the patio. Okay, so yeah. I know dogs love to go on rides, so maybe a car. Like I said, we be treating the dog. So yeah, nice patio to run in and stuff. And I think that's the house. It's a nice little home. There's a nice patio right here, and right inside here is a nice little home. Bed, bath, / shower for the dog, and food inside there. And yeah, nice window and stuff. And then the outside, it looks nice from the outside and stuff. So yeah, there's a nice car. Let's see if it works. Dogs love car rides. You can't avoid them. So you can just ride a car. So yeah. Bye guys, see you next time.